Hi, Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
Well, tonight we're going to take you on a tour of the port of Cozumel.
Cozumel.
Tonight we're going to take you on a tour of the port of Cozumel. We'd just like to start off by saying thank you for watching our video, and if you enjoy this video, how about giving us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell.
Ding ding.
It's good for the channel and helps other people find us as well, and we would like to thank all of you for tuning in.
Thank you.
Now, on with the video. In Cozumel. Today we're going to walk around Cozumel. We actually docked at the downtown port. We haven't been in the downtown port in years. Usually we're at the other port and have to take a taxi into town. So this one we get to walk into town.
How about that?
So we're going to walk around, show you a little bit of Cozumel. I'm on the hunt for a tortilla basket for my daughter. I hope we find that. And so let's have a great day in Cozumel.
Here at the port of Cozumel, we actually got one of these little TikTok three-legged tricycles here. So we're going to get the ride in style. How about that? Isla Cozumel. Is that where you're at today? He's wearing a Sea Lake Journey shirt too. How about that? As you're coming off the pier here in Cozumel, down to your right, about 20 yards, is an elevator for those of you who are in a wheelchair or got a scooter.
This is also where you're going to meet up with your excursions.
Straight in front of us is an escalator. That will take you up to the second level, just like that elevator.
And the pharmacy, which is extremely popular.
And even more popular is the bathroom, or the baños, as they say here at Isla Cozumel.
We took the escalator to the second level. As you can see, there's a Hooters, there's Senor Frogs, the beautiful lighthouse. They have built this two-story building so that it is safer for pedestrians to get across the street. As soon as you cross over the walkway, the shops begin, and there are a lot of them. So we've been to, 8 ports in the past 2 weeks?
Yep.
And Cozumel is the best place for shopping because you have so many options. So we do recommend have some spending money when you come to Cozumel.
And you get to just walk off the ship right into here.
Well, unless you dock down there, then you have to ride the taxi down.
Yeah, if you park at a farther one, you might have to take a taxi. But there's no tender anyway.
No tender at all.
How about that?
No matter which port.
here. Look at that sink, that little thing hanging down. You just move it to get water out. The soaps are all full. This gentleman right here is doing a fantastic job. Thank you, sir, for your job. So this is our last port day before we head home. Tomorrow's a sea day. So today, any little bit of shopping we want to do, this is the place to be. You are the time traveler.
I'm a time traveler.
All right, and you are on Twitter?
Instagram.
Instagram. Okay, people, Instagram
Time
right there.
traveler, 1800. Find me.
There you go. You heard it right here in Cozumel, Mexico. Do it. Okay, just come over. They got a cooler full of these nice wet rags. They're cold. They run to us. Look at that. I got one right now.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. What do you think about it?
It's fabulous. Out in the heat, Princess gives you wet rags. Oh,
Thank you, Princess.
perfect. He's gonna want orange.
Hi there. Hey, you're on YouTube. Sea Lake Journeys. Check it out.
Yeah.
You'll be on there.
Hello.
Sea Lake Journeys. Yeah, thanks you guys for having this stuff out here for us.
Yes. Awesome.
Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour of the port of Cozumel.
I know I did.
Cozumel is a great place to visit, and make sure that you tune into our video on the Tabasco Chef in Cozumel. It is a must-do excursion whenever you are in Cozumel.
Yeah, Chef Luis and Angel and Jorge, they know how to bring it.
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.